Hey friends, if you encounter this weird issue where you are unable to remove the Bluetooth device in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update the driver for Bluetooth. And how will you do that? Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for Bluetooth. Right click on the MediaTek Bluetooth adapter, update drivers and update it. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and select uninstall device, uninstall it. Click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. The next solution is clean boot. Okay, so search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, okay, and then restart the computer. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to update Windows. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, whether you get the option for Install All or check for updates or Restart Now, just click on it, the blue one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.